G-O-D, an English word that is not somebody's name, but somebody's nature. G-O-D, generator, operator, destroyer, is the codex inscriptus of these three letters. Abbreviations. The brain is the generator of electricity and power. The soul is the operator of self that navigates, propels you through your life on this plane and the next. The destroyer factor is found in the sacral vertebrae, where the upcoming Kundalini, Sanskrit term for cosmic fire, and the coils that hook you up. It allows you to obtain everlasting life. That's what you're trying to do, is acquire those three states of consciousness. Not go to heaven, not just get baptized, not just get a white robe. You're trying to raise up something in self that makes you everlasting, that you grow into the Son of God, S-O-N and S-U-N.